Spectacular.
Oh, it is. Go down there. Go down there. Walk down there. Give me that. Walk down there. We'll count you down. We'll count you down.
Why?
Because it's good. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Right.
3, 2, 1, go. Go. Here, here. Oh, she's gone.
That's why you do it.
I'm sorry for that to go.
Who decided to do this silly thing anyway?
Go. Just.
Horrible. You're in section. Where's the dog in his drawing?
Okay, I'm gonna stand over here because that smells bringing back memories.
Oh no. I need a glass of water.
Uh-uh.
No, yeah.
Uh-uh.
Have a glass of water, okay?
You have to get rid of it with the saliva.
You thought you wise and get that me sick, I would have thought. Oh, he's heading for the bushes now, isn't he?
You okay, Trish?
Oh.
You okay, Trish? Do you want some water? I'm so tempted to kick his butt. Your eyes are so blue right now.
Dad did it, now he's doing it again.
Dad did.
This is you going back to the garden.
Sorry, I'm laughing, but it's hilarious.
Ugh.
Was that a little limp there, Dad?
Was that a little limp there, Dad? Ooh.
I'm laughing. I don't know what you just went through.
I do too. Did you actually do it?
I can swallow it now.
Try that big, try getting vomit all the way down front. Yeah. That was Sarah.
You're not supposed to vomit that quickly.
Did you see me? Oh, okay, I
Oh.
can smell it now. I don't want memories.
I think so. Locked on and
Did you get my cough with a little red cloud coming out?
I think Tori did. Tori, we're editing both of these into one video.
Are we done? Yeah, we're done. Alright, there we go.
Oh, that is really horrible.
But you don't need to do these silly things.
Here, here.
What's the good of that?
Oh, gee.
See what I mean?